David Brown. The name disappeared from the side of tractors in 1983, and the last of the company's tractor designs ceased production in 1988. But the company's legacy lives on to this day, in the hundreds of David Brown tractors still earning their keep on farms all over the world. In this programme, we are going to tell the story of these British tractors, from their beginnings in 1936 right up to the last of the line in the late 1980s, when the firm was known as Case IH. David Brown was once a well-known and respected name in agriculture. Join us as we take a tour through 6 decades of these Yorkshire-built machines. The David Brown firm was first started by the man of the same name back in 1860, when he founded a wooden gear making shop in Huddersfield, Yorkshire. Gear manufacture would be the mainstay of the company until, that is, the second David Brown, grandson of the founder, met a certain man from Ireland. The David Brown name and the tractors that bore it are far from forgotten, as several clubs have been formed to celebrate the whole spectrum of David Brown production, and many enthusiasts are still collecting, showing and restoring tractors that still proudly bear the name David Brown.